The American Canadian School of Medicine is a prestigious institution dedicated to providing high quality medical education and training to aspiring healthcare professionals with a focus on academic excellence, clinical experience, and a global perspective favors students a successful careers in the field of medicine. In their article, we delve into the key aspects of American Canadian school medicine and how to empower future healthcare professionals. Academic excellence, rigorous curriculum, and the facility expertise maintains a rigorous curriculum designed to impart comprehensive medical knowledge and skill. The faculty members are experienced healthcare professionals who are passionate about teaching and the mentoring students. Their expertise ensure that students receive the highest quality education and stay updated with the latest advances in the medical field. State of the art facilities enhancing learning and practical skill is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities including modern classroom, research lab and simulation center. This resource provides students with hands-on experience and opportunities to practice clinical skill in a safe and controlled environment. The school impresses on practical training prepares students that excel in real-world medical settings. Clinical rotation, impressive hands-on experience, recognizes the importance of clinical experience in shaping competent healthcare professionals through partnership with renowned hospitals and healthcare facilities. Axum offers clinical rotation that exposes students to diverse pertinent population and medical specialists. This impressive experience allows students to apply their theoretical knowledge, develop critical thinking skill and gain confidence in their clinical abilities. Global prescriptive embracing calculator embracing culture, distribution and healthcare in a increasingly interconnected world. ACM ACHM embraces the importance of cultural competency in healthcare. Of school welcomes students from various backgrounds, fostering a diverse and inclusive learning environment. This global perspective prepares future healthcare professionals to navigate complexities of a multicultural patient population and adapt to different healthcare systems. Supportive learning environment, student centered approach. ACM ACHM priorities the well-being, the success of students. The school provides a supporting learning environment with small class sizes, allowing for personalized attention interaction between facility and student. Academic support service mentoring programs and student organization contribute to holistic educational experience that promotes student growth and development. Research opportunities, advancing medical knowledge. ACHM encourage students to fostering a culture of inquiry and the innovation by actively participating in research project. Students contribute to the advancement of medical knowledge and develop cultural research skills. These opportunities prepare students for advanced best practice and future contribution to the field of medicine. Professional development. Preparing for residency, the beyond ACHM understands the importance of preparing students for the next step in their medical careers. The school offers comprehensive support the guardians throughout the residency application process, including workshop, mock interviews, and the personalized advice. This impresses on professional development, equips students with the tools and the confidence to excel in their chosen medical specialties. Alumni network, connecting graduates to lifelong success, ACSM boasts a strong and supportive alumni network that spans across the globe. Graduates of the school become part of vibrant community of healthcare professionals, providing opportunity for networking, collaboration, and the mentorship. The alumni network the Alumni Network offer invaluable support as students transition into their professional careers and navigate ever evolving landscape on healthcare. Commu- Commitment of community service, making a positive impact. ACSM instills a sense of social responsibility in its students. The school encourages and facilitates community service activities, enabling students to give back that make a positive impact on society. This experience cultivates empathy, composition, and commitment to providing healthcare access and outcome for unserved population. Accreditation and the recognition. Meeting high student AC ASHM maintain accreditation and the recognition from reputable medical authorities, ensuring that the education provided meets or exceeds the industry high-end standard. This accreditation enhances the credibility and the value of an SSM medical degree, opening doors to a wide range of career opportunity for graduates. Consolation, the American Canadian School of Medical Standard as a beacon of excellence in medical education, empowering future healthcare professionals with knowledge, practical skill, global perspective, and a commitment to patient centered care. With this rigorous curriculum, state of the art facilities, and supportive learning environments, ACSM prefers students to excel in their medical careers and to contribute to their advancement of healthcare by fostering a for lifelong learning, research, and community service. ACSM cultivates compassionate and competent healthcare professionals who are equipped to make positive impact in the field of medicine.